Y'all want to make some chicken parm?
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So this has been requested a lot from you guys, do a cooking video, because I used to do them on my Snapchat a long time ago, and a lot of people really liked the things I was making, so I figured we'll go ahead and Chef Rye Guy this up. I'm not wearing my gear because I don't want to get my stuff all over it. So I'm making chicken Parmesan today. It's one of my favorite meals to make. I love making it, and it's highly requested by all my fans, aka Mary. So what you want to do first is just kind of cut off all the crap, because these things are nasty and you don't want these little skeet boys on there. So once you cut all the nasty parts off of your chicken, then you want to go from flour, egg, into this breadcrumb mix. And the flour doesn't have anything, but the breadcrumbs have like Italian seasonings, paprika, salt, and pepper, and a little bit of garlic, just a little bit. So then we're gonna go, bruh. Alright, that was, whatever. So, coat it in the flour. Make sure you get every little inch of her. And you want to shake the excess off. Then you want to dip it in the egg. Make sure all of it gets in there. And then from there, go to the breadcrumbs. Make sure every inch of it gets covered. Then, shake off the excess. Put it onto a separate plate. So delicately place it in the flour. Shake off the excess. Dunk it in the egg. Get all of it nice and saucy. And then breadcrumbs. Now at the very end of this, there's a very important step. So make sure you lay them out to where they're not stacked on top of each other. So now that the glove won't fit, let's go ahead and wash our hands off. So now you floured, egged, and breaded your chicken. Then you want to take this piece of parchment paper, wax paper, whatever, put it over. Usually use rolling pin, but this is a bachelor pad, so we ain't got one. My dad's single. The ladies hit them up. Then you want to push on the chicken and really make sure that the breadcrumbs stay on, because a lot of times if you don't do this, it's just gonna fall right off in the oil, and you're gonna be sad and disappointed. Who's your daddy? So now that the chicken knows its place, what you want to do is you want to take your bread, your French bread, take it, flip it upside down, and then cut it. If you cut it this way, it keeps you from smashing the bread. The bottom of the bread is much stronger, so it'll be able to hold up against the knife. So once you do that, you want to spread each point over, or each slice over, sprinkle garlic, Lowry salt, and basil in it, and then take a spoon and then scoop. See if I can get this. You want to scoop butter in each one, a little bit. Just take it and go boom, 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 boom to each one, and then bake it upside down. A lot of people are probably gonna hate me for it, but for me, I like crunchy bread, and when you do it like this, it gets these ridges real crispy on the outside. So that's how I've always done it, and that's how I like it. So 350, put it in there for like, I don't know, 10 minutes, I don't know, something like that. Once you get your chicken all flattened out, the bread in the oven, what you wanna do is I use coconut oil because it's a lot healthier than any other oil. I don't really like heavy vegetable oil. It sits bad in my stomach and everything. So you want to get this kind of hot, not too bad. How you test it, I take a little bit of flour, I throw it in there, and it's kind of okay. I want it to get a little bit hotter than that. And when you set it in there, lay it away from you, that way you don't get splashed. Alright, so yeah, it should automatically start sizzling. Maybe a little bit warmer. And you don't need a lot of oil. You're not deep frying them, you're just frying them. You're giving them a nice edge. I got 2 more and only room for 1, bruh. We got the chicken going, Alfredo sauce in the back, and we're getting our water boiling. So you only want to flip these once, so make sure you get it right. We'll go a little bit longer, a little bit. So when these are done and you flip them, you want to put a little bit of butter around the edges of them. So like in these little empty spots, put a little bit of butter, and it'll make the breading on the sides of it turn a real nice golden brown color. Dude, it's 2:15. I have 15 minutes to do this. We're gonna take our angel hair pasta. I like angel hair the most. You can use whatever pasta you want. Salt your water first, always. Ah, I'm running out of time. Flip it. Okay, no, not that one. You want to flip them in the order that you put them in, and that's kind of hard to remember. Oh gosh, they're a little burnt. Oh dear Jesus. Oh dear Lord. Oh Lord. Stop it. I take it back. Quit. I'm sorry. Alright, well, I like a little crunched. So, no! Oh, I'm getting so sweaty. Come here, little boy. Okay, well, this one. Okay, alright. My life is falling apart. Oh, God. Stir the chicken. Stir the pot. Now my pasta. My pasta. Okay, turn the sauce on, get it going. Oh, not too hot. Okay, butter. Okay, you want a little bit? Oh, that's a little much. You want butter? Okay, in. Slut, go. No. Butter. Okay, she's a little warm. We're gonna turn her down. Hi-ya, hi-ya. Okay, stop. Okay. Okay. It's so low and it's still so hot. Hey, yeah. Get in there. Cook. Cook. Yes. Are you done? I can't tell. Oh, God. Almost. Okay. See, this is fine. Everything's fine. We're cool. I'm cool. See, that's what I wanted them all to turn out like. I should have flipped it earlier. Don't forget to stir your pasta with the butter away. Ah, where's the lid? The lid! The lid! Found it. Put that away. Clean as you go, otherwise Dad yells. Ah! Oh, this kitchen is a mess. I gotta show you guys this really quick. Oh, God. Like, brah! Okay, plate. That looks good enough. Okay, and the bread's been in there for 10 minutes. How are we looking, bread? I can't tell. All right, fantastic. That's probably good for real. Okay, well, no, we don't leave them on there for a little bit. I don't know what I'm doing. I thought I did. I make this all the time. Well, not all the time, but I make this enough to know what I'm doing in a painting. Y'all want to see something? This is how you tell if your pasta's ready. Dang it. This is how you tell if your pasta's ready. No, it keeps sticking to my hand. All right, y'all want to know something? This is how you know if your pasta's ready. It's ready. Okay, I can do this. Where's the strainer? Ah! This chicken needs to come off. Perfect. Okay, hold on. She a little crooked, bro. Get out my way. All right. Ooh. Fast. Speed. No. Nope. Okay, this one touched the sink. That one's gone forever. A couple of these. Hot. Okay, everything else stays. Everything else stays. It's fine. It's hot. Okay, give her a little shake. And I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut oil in it, maybe. No, I can't. No time. Okay, chicken done. Oh, no sauce. Want it hot and soupy. Perfect. A little soupy, not too soupy. If it's like too thick, it means it's too cold. We're using paper because we're classy. Bro, I got 6 minutes. No. Oh, my noodles are sticking, bro. Chicken on. Okay, well, we want this to the side because we want bread. So just presentation is key, you know. Okay, I'm gonna hug my camera here. Maybe. No, we're not. I'm not gay. Sauce. Oh, we almost lost that chicken. Okay, we cannot use this. Slight error with this one. Okay. Ladle. Okay. Sauce. Ooh. Ooh. Delish. I like the end pieces because I'm classy. See what I mean? Just a little bit of butter goes along. Okay, that one's a little, okay, I lied on that one. Not too hot, cool. We could use a little bit more butter, but that's fine. All right, cool. This looks good, but this was a nightmare. Honestly, I had fun, but like, Jesus Christ, I was so preoccupied with the filming and the bread and the pasta and the chicken. Hope you guys enjoy. Oh, okay, I gotta go. Oh my, we're running out of time.